Then we start to do the calibration for the printing head vertical calibration. First we go to open the control software, we go to test and load head vertical image and waiting for it's 100% ready. And then we load a image, load a paper A3 size, put on the bottom of the printing head. The first color of white printing head near the front. Okay. When they finish, then we go to control panel, open the vacuum and click start. So from here we can see the image for color of, for the overlap. We must be sure the gap, the blanking gap at the top and the bottom must be the same. This is the printing head's vertical test print image. We can see here have lots of different lines. So we just enlarge each channel. We can see each channel have 4 lines. See, have 4 lines at the bottom and at the top. 4 small lines. So the good installation calibration for vertical is we just enlarge this. Must be 4 lines must be exactly vertical and horizontal, like this. Like this. This is good. But if the print out image like this, the gap at the top, at the bottom is different. So this is not good calibration for vertical. We need to do the calibration to adjust the print head. We need to adjust the print head to vertical by adjusting the screw at the print head pallet, installation pallet, or for each print head. So here I have 4 print head. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just check which head not good. So here H is 出纸方向是哪个方向？这边先出的吧。This is H head 1 and this is head 2. This is head 3. This is head 4. So we just check which head is overlap. Then we adjust which print head. If all are overlap, so we adjust the aluminum pallet. We must be sure each channel's small 4 small lines must be exactly top gap and bottom gap must be the same. If the top here is bigger, bottom is small, that's not good calibration for for the vertical, for the print head. We need to really adjust each one. After we did the calibration for vertical calibration test print, so if the calibration is not good, we need to do the physical calibration adjust for the print head. The principle is this 10 print head all are white print head or color print head. And if you machine DTF version, so this 10 print head all are with color print head. And here the 10 print head all are with white print head. We must be sure For example, the second printing head, white ink, and here the second printing head color must be, two printing head must be exactly vertical and horizontal with a straight line without bending overlap. So because here I can only a little bit adjust a little bit. For if you insert screw, it's only a little bit adjust. So if a big gap between the two printing head, vertical and horizontal, we need to adjust the installation aluminum pallet. So we need to loosen the screw to adjust. So for example, this printing head, all printing heads are overlap with this 10 printing head overlap by left right. So we can keep one pallet not move, and we adjust this totally 10 printing head. Before we adjust the overlap from left to right or vertical, we can first loosen the screw here and here, and also 4 screw here, 2 screw here and here. We loosen the screw. Then also here have 2 screw at front. Loosen. Then we can use the screwdriver. We can locally first remove this to release this adjusted screw by this side, or we first lock by this way and lock by this way, and then we can, for example, we must overlap to this angle. We must overlap to front. Just means this printing head not straight, it's bending like this. So we can move a little bit to front. So we adjust this screw. We move the pallet a little bit to front, this angle. Then after we adjust, then we lock all the screw. We lock back all the screw. So this 4 screw, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 screw for each pallet is for adjust the totally pallet to vertical and horizontal without overlap. If it is bending overlap, that means the printing head must be straight. If not straight or not straight, just adjust this pallet. If a little bit, we just adjust this each printing head a little bit. This is for fine adjustment. This is for rough adjustment. After the adjustment finish, we lock back all the screw. Not too much. So this is a principle and workflow to adjust the printing head calibration for vertical. After we adjust this, then we adjust another pallet. Also we adjust the same. But loosen the screw 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 2 screw at the front. We loosen it. Then we adjust by this adjuster switch to make the 2 pallets exactly water level, horizontal and vertical, without overlap. So this is the principle to adjust the printing head vertical. After we adjust finish, we remove all the screw from the belt and the tools. So this is all the procedure for calibration for printing head vertical for all print head or for each print head. So little adjustment just by adjust one head or each head. For all print head calibration for vertical, just little adjust for each.